student. How are you all? I hope that you all are helping your mom in your home, doing small things like cleaning your house and keeping the things in proper places. These small things make a every day in your home happy and make the room clean and tidy. So now I will start the lesson. Why did Seema fall? What is the lesson name? Why did Seema fall? In this lesson we learn about cleanliness and tidiness. Let us move to the lesson. This is Seema's room. It is a small room. It has a bed, a chair and a table. The curtains are blue. The bed cover is also blue. Here, what is the meaning of small? Small means little. I have a small book. I have a small book. This is Seema's room. Who's this room? This is Seema's room. It is a small room. It is a very small room. It has a bed, a chair and a table. In this room, a bed, chair and a table. The curtains are blue. What is the color of curtains? Curtains are blue in color and also bed cover is blue in color. Bed cover is blue in color. Before we move to the next paragraph, we have some difficult words. Let us read. Untidy. Not arranged neatly. My friend Shilpa's garden is untidy. Floor. The level base of a room. The floor was cold. Lying. To rest or placed. The baby is lying in the cradle. Toys. Something for a child to play with. I have lot of toys. Building. A structure with a roof and walls such as a house or factory. Our school building is white in color. Let us move to reading of the lesson. Seema's room is untidy. Seema's room is untidy. Our school bag is on the floor. Our books are lying on the bed. One shoe is on the chair. Where is the other shoe? It is under the bed. Seema has many toys. She has a toy train. She has a teddy. Seema has 4 toy cars. She has building blocks. Here, Seema's room is untidy. How is Seema's room? Seema's room is untidy. She does not keep her things in proper places. Our school bag is on the floor. Where is the Seema school bag? A school bag is on the floor. This is floor. Our school bag is on the floor. Our books are lying on the bed. Where are the Seema's books? Seema's books are on the bed. One shoe is on the chair. One shoe is on the chair. Where is the other shoe? The other shoe is under the bed. The other shoe is under the bed. Seema has many toys. She has a toy train. Seema has many toys. See, these are all toys. She has a toy train. Where is the toy train? The toy train is on the table. She has a teddy. She has a teddy. Teddy is in the bookshelf. And She has 4 toy cars. Some toy cars are on the bed. She has building blocks. Rest of the toys on the floor. Seema likes to play with her toys, but she does not put them back. She likes to play with her toys, but she does not put them back. Children, after playing, you keep your toys back, put them back. No, that's same way Seema also does not put them back toys in the proper place. The blocks are on the floor. Where are the blocks? The blocks are on the floor. The toy train is on the table. Where is the toy train? The toy train is on the table. The toy cars are on the bed. Where are the toy cars? The toy cars are on the bed. Where is the teddy? The teddy is in the bookshelf. The teddy is in the bookshelf. Seema runs into the room. She trips on her bag and falls. She hurts her elbow. She starts crying. Trip means asleep. Kids trip when they run. Falls, to suddenly go down onto the ground. I saw Ramu falling on the bed. Hurts, to feel pain in a part of your body or get injured. I hurt my foot. Again means repeat. Children, read the poem again. Seema runs into the room. Seema runs into the room very hurriedly. She trips on her bag and falls. She slips on her bag and falls down. She hurts her elbow. Seema hurts her elbow. You can see this picture, children. Seema hurts her elbow. The blood is coming. She starts, children, show me your elbow. This is our elbow. She starts crying. Normally, we cry when we fall down. The same way, Seema starts crying. What should Seema do so that she does not fall again? Seema should keep her things properly. She does not fall again. Children, we should keep our things tidily, and so we won't fall. Thank you.